Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can send a notification message to your team on Slack on getting a payment cancelled from Razorpay payment page. So guys, for this, we are going to connect Razorpay as our trigger application and Slack as the action application inside the workflow of our automation. And after that, as and when you are going to get a payment cancelled due to any reason from Razorpay payment page, the notification message about this payment cancellation will be delivered to your team on Slack automatically. And guys, we are going to set up this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, and you can also set up this without any coding very easily. So let me show you how you can do this. Guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up your automations and test your automations. Okay, so you can sign up right now and then you have to log in and reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is here. Okay, and guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Razorpay to Slack automation. So after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. All right, and here you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So the trigger is that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, the trigger would be cancelling of payment on Razorpay, and action would be send a message in Slack. So Razorpay is our trigger application and Slack is our action application. So connect here Razorpay. Here it is. Okay, and here you have to select the trigger event. That means that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and that is going to happen in Razorpay. Okay, so the trigger event would be this payment failed. So it is going to trigger this workflow when a payment is marked as failed, any unsuccessful transaction is marked as failed. Okay, select it and it will give you this Webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with your Razorpay account, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. Okay, so I'll tell you, you have to follow these steps, guys, and you can make this connection. I'm going to show you this directly. And here you can see this is my Razorpay applications dashboard, and here on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this settings option. Click on settings. Under settings, you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks, and here you can add webhooks like these. Okay, so you have to click on this add webhook, add new webhook button, and here in this webhook URL field, you have to copy and paste this URL. So click on copy from here and paste it here. Okay, then you have to select the active events. Okay, that means the event on which you want the data to be transferred from Razorpay to your workflow. So from here you have to check this payment.failed box. Okay, then you have to click on create webhook, and you can see a new webhook is saved here successfully, right? And here you can see, as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to manually cancel a payment from any payment page of Razorpay, and the data of that payment cancellation will be captured here in this workflow, and that will act as a test data for us to set up this automation further. Okay, so you can see in my Razorpay, I have many payment pages created for different products. You can see this is a online course I have, and this is also a membership that I'm selling, and a social media marketing tutorial. So let me open any of these payment pages and let me manually cancel a payment. So I am opening this gym training membership payment page, and here you can see this is the page URL. So I'm just going to copy it and let us open it in incognito window. And we are under test mode, guys. You can see this is not an original payment. We are under test mode. So here I'm going to select the product. This is the price. Here you have to enter the name of the customer. So I'm giving the name as demo customer. and this is the email ID of this demo customer. Okay, here you have to enter any random or dummy phone number. This is a dummy phone number I'm using, and here I'm clicking on pay, guys. And here you can see you can use these payment modes. I'm selecting the card option. Okay, and here you can give the card details. Let me fill the card details. So I've entered the card details, and here I'm clicking on pay, and from this demo bank page I'm going to cancel this payment. Here you can see we have this cancel option. Click on cancel. Yes, cancel. Okay, so you can see the payment got cancelled here, and I'm closing this window. Okay, like this. And now let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured of this payment cancellation or not. So here you can see we got this payment cancellation event captured here like this. It is showing you the amount, the currency used, okay, and here you can see the card details are here, and here you can see the customer details as well, and the product's name also. So this is how you can get a test payment, test cancellation payment captured here inside the workflow. Now here you can notice one thing, that the amount we have actually on the payment page was 350 rupees. Okay, this is the 350 rupees price, but here it is showing the amount as 35,000 with 2 extra zeros. Okay, so we got these 2 extra zeros because it don't capture this decimal value here in the workflow, so it is showing 2 more extra zeros here. So we can correct this value using a feature of Pabbly Connect. For that you just have to come here on the sections tab, and here in the sections tab I'm going to search for number formatter feature of Pabbly. Search for number formatter. Here it is selected, and here in the action event I'm going to select this perform math operation. Okay, then click on connect, and here it is asking for the numbers on which you want to perform mathematical operations. So guys, I'm going to map this label here from the first tab in which we are getting the amount, which is this. So I'm going to map this label here in this tab. So just click here and it will show you the trigger step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received as the test data. From here just map this amount label and then put a comma here and then put 100. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide this number with 100 so that we can get these 2 extra zeros removed. Okay, so you have to select the operation as divide. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and here you can see we got this result label in which we got the corrected amount. Okay, so now guys, I want to send a notification message to my team, which is here on Slack channel. This is my Slack's dashboard, and here I have this text channel named as Pabbly team. So I want to inform about this payment got cancelled to my team. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon and another actions tab will open up. From here search for Slack. Here it is selected, and here you have to select the action event now. So the action event would be send channel message. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Slack. Okay, and here it is asking for the token type, so you can use either user or bot as the token type for making the Slack connections, and you can learn more about the token types from this. You can see the here word, so just click on this here word and you will reach this page, and for both of the token types you will get different kind of permissions to connect with Slack. So if you use user as a token type, you will get all these permissions. Okay, and if you use bot, you will get these permissions. So guys, you can use it accordingly. I am going to use user as the token type here, and now just click on save, and from this window you have to select the workspace from the top field. Okay, and then you have to provide these access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on allow, and you can see we are getting connected with Slack. Okay, and then you have to select your channel's name here, so it will show you the list of all the channels that you have, and my team is present in this Pabbly team channel. So search for Pabbly team. Here it is selected, and here it is asking for the message. So let me type a message, a standard message for my team, guys. So guys, you can see I have typed a simple message for my team, and the message is this: hello team, we just got a payment cancelled from Razorpay payment page. The details of the payment are as follows, and here I am going to send all these values to my team: the name of the customer, email, payment amount, and the product name. And I'm going to map these things from the previous two steps. So for the name, just click here and it will show you the trigger step in the drop down, and from here just map the name of the customer, which you will find here like this. Okay, then map the email address from the same place. Here it is. For the payment amount, guys, we are going to use the second step in which we have corrected the amount, and the product for the product name, use the first step. Okay, here is the product's name. So when you map the data like this, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever you got a payment cancelled, these labels are going to change or going to be updated automatically, and every time you will see a new message in your Slack channel with the new details. Okay, that's why it is important to map the data here. Now guys, we are not sending any image or anything else, so I'm leaving all these things blank. So we are not using any bot to send the message, so I'm leaving all these things blank, guys. And we are not sending any links also, so you can use all these fields if you are sending links and all. I'm just want to send this text message, so we are done here. And now you can check your connection by clicking on save and send test request, and a new message will be delivered here like this. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and you can see this is the response we have received. Let us check in our Slack channel if we got the message, and you can see we got a new message as this: hello team, we just got a payment cancelled from Razorpay payment page. The details are, you can see these are the same details that I have mapped here like this, and that we got in a message. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you are going to get any payment cancelled for any reason in your Razorpay, you will receive a message, or your team will receive a message on Slack automatically like this, and our workflow is going to run in the background, right? And you can use this same workflow, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.